Well, it is Saturday, the 24th of December, here on Great Bird Island, a little bird sanctuary. Just hiked up a few steps to get more on the top of the world, I guess. Just want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. Miss you guys. Kind of wish I was there, but it is pretty special to be here. Seahawk is down there. Can't see it. I don't know what direction to do because wind's coming from one direction. I know the microphone's going to pick up that and the sun's in the other, so pick your poison, I guess. But it's great to be here. It's safe, it's good. Went spinnaker flying today, otherwise just kind of hung out. Visited with Jerry from Connecticut last night. And the anchorage kind of thinned out, so I guess I'm going to have a solitary Christmas. So it'll be fine. Quick tour around. Pretty spectacular. I'm really blessed to be here. I'm healthy, I'm well. Gonna make some pizza tonight and yeah, have a drink. Again, miss you guys. Wanted to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, and I look forward to hearing from you all soon.